Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up emails in Outlook on PC. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Once you're logged in, the app will display your current inbox and any existing email accounts you might have already configured. Now, once your email has loaded, navigate to the File menu located on the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are positioned. Click on the File tab to open the main settings area. This is where Outlook stores most of its configuration options and account management tools. After the File menu opens, look for the Account Settings drop-down located on the right side of your screen. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a list of options. From this drop-down, you'll see Account Settings appear again. Click on it to proceed. This will open a new window dedicated specifically to managing all your email accounts within Outlook. An Account Settings window will now appear on your screen. From here, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Click on the Email tab to access the section where you can add, remove, or modify email accounts. This is the central hub for managing all the email addresses connected to your Outlook application. Now, to set up a new email account, look for the New button and click on it. This will launch the email account setup window, which is designed to make adding new accounts as straightforward as possible. In this window, simply type in the email address you want to add to Outlook. Once you've entered your email, Outlook will automatically detect the email provider and begin configuring the necessary settings. You'll need to verify ownership of the email account through verification codes, which will be sent to your email or phone depending on your provider's security settings. Follow the prompts to enter these codes. The great thing about modern Outlook is that it automatically configures all the technical details for you, including IMAP settings, port numbers, and server addresses. All you have to do is verify that the email account belongs to you, and Outlook handles the rest behind the scenes. And that's it, you've successfully set up a new email account in Outlook on PC, and now you can start managing your emails directly from the app with all your accounts in one place. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.